If you're new here, welcome. My name is Olabisi. So today I'm going to be talking about how to write API stories as a product manager. If you don't know, I am a product manager and I currently work in a tech company here in Lagos, Nigeria. So basically, writing API points requires, clear communication and understanding of the product. So you need to be able to, as a product manager, it is important for you to be able to understand the product you are managing. And then you also need to understand your product functionality and the purpose or the intention of the product. And I'm going to be sharing, maybe I'll do a part 2 to this video. So in this video, I'll share 3 ways for you to be able to write API points. So one is, you need to understand the product. You need to have a deep understanding of the product. You need to understand the features. You need to identify key functionalities that you need to be exposed through the API. So typically, you need to be able to know the kind of product. Is it a health tech? Is it a health product? Is it an insurance product? Is it a food product? Like, what is the purpose of the product? What is it aimed to achieve? Is it just to enlighten people? Is it for people to make transactions? Is it for people? Like, you need to be able to know how your product works and the purpose of the product so that you can easily identify the functionalities that you need to expose through the API. 2 is, you need to identify use cases. Technically, you need to be able to determine the common use cases where the API will be used. You need to be able to consider your audience, their needs, how they would interact with the products through the API. So you need to be able to, I did a video, I'm going to do a video about API, understanding APIs technically, and I would share in the description box below. But you need to be able to understand your features. What do you want them to be able to do? The target audience, their uses, how they can interact technically with it. 3 is, you need to be able to define your API points. So define the specific endpoints that will be part of the APIs. You need to be able to know that. You need to understand each endpoint should correspond to a specific action. So a feature needs to be tied to a to an endpoint. Technically, you need to define the specific endpoint that will be part of the API and correspond to a specific action or functionality. Is very important. So you need to use clear and descriptive names for your endpoints to convey their purpose. So majorly doing this would help you understand what the business team wants to achieve and also how you can relate it to your engineering team. So I wanted to just make this very short as much possible. I'll do a part 2 to this video, so please watch out. Thank you so much for watching. If you really found this helpful, kindly share, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.